Welcome to Premier Mobility Cars. Here we have a 2012 on a 12 reg wheelchair accessible VW Caddy Maxi with a TBC conversion and just 18,500 miles. It's done no miles whatsoever, direct from Motability. It's the 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox conversion. As you will see from the short video, the vehicle is in grade A condition. Comes with a service book pack. You've got your owner's manual, the radio, and also the service book in there. Nice grey velour interior. So grade A condition, as is with all of our wheelchair access vehicles. We carry around about 25 to 28 in stock. They generally be the same makes and models, i.e. the VW Caddy Maxi, Peugeot Partner Horizon, Citroen Berlingo, and the Peugeot Expert. We have got a couple of full Tornios in stock. We've got a Tornio Connect and a Tornio Custom, both Euro 6 vehicles, and we've also got through the Motability scheme some ex-lease vehicles, which is the same as this one, where we buy all of our vehicles, and we've got them available directly to us on a website. So if we haven't got what you want, pop along and see us at Cooling Road Service Station, ME2 4RL. We're based in Kent. We can go through what you're looking for in a wheelchair access vehicle, and then maybe we can get one in stock for you if we haven't already got one in stock. So it's got a 4-point securing, back to the vehicle, sorry, 4-point securing, as is with all wheelchair access vehicles. So we've got the switch here, turn that on, and that operates these backwards and forwards, what they call the electric belt. So if you switch that off, it won't come out. So just track there. Also got, we've also got the electric winch. That's the control there. You can see that it's just an out and in button, very easy to use. And there you go, operating, going in just on there. So if you do need assistance on getting the wheelchair user in, or the scooter user, the winch is a handy thing to have. They are an optional extra on the wheelchair access caddies, so not all of them come with the electric winch, although the Peugeot Horizons do. Lovely blue metallic alloy wheels, twin sliding doors. It's a 5-seat plus wheelchair conversion, so you can have five people seated in the vehicle, plus a wheelchair passenger or mobility scooter, and whatever your choice of mobility transport is. So a total of 6 people at all times. Go into the cockpit. There's your lights there, just quickly, side lights, dip, and then for the fog lights, just one is for one lot of fog lights, and put them both out for both. Electric mirrors, simply down and up to operate. Electric heated mirrors as well, and automatic locking, so you can lock the car from the inside for your own safety, and also unlock it, because generally when you do it on the key, only one door opens the driver's door, and then you have to what we call double blipping it to open all the doors. So further in, you've got your air conditioning button. That's the recycle, so that recycles the air once it gets cooler to make it run more efficiently, and you've got your heated rear screen. That's your fan switch, temperature, and the direction of the fan, and your hazard warning lights are there. Radio CD player, very easy to use, pre-programmed. Left-hand stalk is the indicators and your main beam, while your wipers are on the right-hand stalk. It has got front parking sensors on this one, which is quite unusual, and the on and off switch is just located just underneath the light switch there. So very nice specification, very popular vehicles are the Caddies. If you want to discuss this one or any of our other wheelchair access vehicles, or WAVs as they're known, give us a call on 01634 716 911. If you want to have a look at this or any of our stock, you can do so. Just visit www.premiermobilitycars.co.uk. If you are a taxi driver, you can go straight onto the taxi page. They're not being used as taxis, they're all the same vehicles, ex-Motability, but to save you searching for vehicles that are not suitable, if you just visit www.premiertaxisales.com. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon.